Science lapen, Commerce College, asaihem, nangji pura, Karbi locharli asong atum, Chesong asai kedeng pon. Tarapung along kedo, hang ik langso, LP school along, Chainong aroi, B aroi ason, pamandet. Bodong rong supi along, horsing terang, alangli terang arong amikar, gandura kaci ipon.
Longkiri abirta pen nili samia biri kropi, non birtang ton pen arjupanik tha.
Hedjong, haflong along, all Assam pen education aputak, cabinet session ke pado along, Assam arlo kedo, kaprek long kep a district apan, science pen, commerce a stream akimi kipi pon alam pangdaklo, bonta ningduk mimi, Karbi anglong autonomous council along, non kachari bom, leaders puka cekrong atum lapen, state government atum, Karbi anglong lapen, west Karbi anglong apan, education ahin, asapta kaching vaiji apan, ardi pipedetlo. Laso ajok pini dong kamukam cariali along Karbi locharli asong mate ESA hin pen ningkang samse cipaklangsi Chesong asai Deng ponang koklo.
Today we burned the effigies of Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, HAD Minister Jogen Mohan, and CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Dr. Tuliram Ronghan at Dongkamukam town, protesting against the recent cabinet decision on introduction of Science and Commerce College to 10 colleges of different parts of Assam. The Karbi Students Association have been demanding for introduction of Science and Commerce College in Karbi Anglong in different colleges, right from Thongnokbe College, Rukasan College, Eastern College of East Karbi Anglong, along with Rangsina College, Kopili College, Samson Singh College, Waisang College of West Karbi Anglong, to be introduced science and commerce streams at the earliest possible time. But it is very dismaying fact that although we have submitted many memorandums to the concerned authority, but they still pay a very lackadaisical attitude towards what we have been demanding for. So we, the Karbi Students Association, in protesting against their lackadaisical attitudes, we today burned down the effigies of these three persons, basically the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, HAD Minister, Mr. Jogen Mohan, and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief, Mr. Tuliram Ronghan. And from here, we warned the government of Assam, we warned the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to stop playing politics with the indigenous, innocent people of Karbi Anglong. Our students need quality education, our students need proper education, and we demand that immediate introduction of Science and Commerce College or commerce streams in different colleges of Karbi Anglong be introduced at the earliest possible time. Failing to comply our demand will be bound to launch more democratic movement against them. Thank you.
Pini niphai ingkoi rahini arkoi ingkan surhini ra ingkoi rahini Lakha ingkoi rapo Nilip constituency keparlo Tarapung along kedo hang ik langso LP school along kedam tang niphai crazer kep arni kahumri dam ahut kelong dam alamthe ke school kaheno ta akele kilit ajok ahok kachini jiapan rong ara tumpen chinki chithande rapi kelong alam ke kedam tang ningkan ner kep aprang John Timungpu inut a master alangli retire je ako ahut si school building apan longlo lapen school lapen toilet apan tangka ke lak trok do bon sita has ahut ke kopia potone patang tedet pusi rong atum pen akoi pi lasi school non ke patang vek japan Karbi ang autonomous council authority apan kachoneri padopon West Karbi Anglong, Hamran constituency keparlo, Hodong rong supi along, Khorsing terang, alangli terang arong amikar, Gaunbura kacie. Khorsing terang, alangli terang arong amikar, Gaunbura kacie pon, kedam tang, anke alangli ke, terang risobasalo, bon setame, ini arni pen anke putot, Gaunbura cie pon tulo. Labang solong, badong rong supi, center, Gaunbura, lapen longsing hanse habe lapen, X Center Gaunbura Jamdor Tiso Lapen Anut Kaprek Kethe Kiding Manpeng ke Dakor Tetum Chitongdur
Kivangke Badong Arong Khorsing Terang Apan Atom Apan Pacuna Dan Nike Gilinga lori abek mungkin bunga dan ke ne gilinga lori abek ini khorsing terang apan van pacunam dep ke arong akang bora mor itu kang bora arong tang Nilong yang luke, bangga kai pada pekan di pantai peti ulang juga ni. Ya, dong ni. Cuman rak jadi pantai. Isupi sampai. Ni rong ari subasa mari sampai pula ini ke aku kang berapa kilo nanti berapa tinggi setengah hop ini sama ni kilo ni yang ni ini sampai kilo before Karbi Anglong abe pinak constituency dake mighty su ke kilo mighty surong ari subasa ke orang khorsing terang ke arong akang mura kesindik abang mohor kesindik betot ke Kemodo mata konstituensi giling yang ke ban betul giling along dia langka alang kemudian rong nah